This is Michelle Goldman with APD1 Week 2, and the progress so far with my application called Yes Ma'am. It is a mobile asset management application, and I've gotten a lot done so far. This contact database is built off of core data, and we'll have a tab bar controller with 3 buttons. I was hoping that the options I'd be able to build into a split view controller, but that did not work out for me this week. It was a lot more work than I anticipated and was losing time, so just put it here on the tab bar controller. So that was one thing that I was not able to get accomplished, but switch gears a little bit. I think it might be easier just to run the app just so you can see it and we can talk about it, and you'll be able to see the things that aren't working, the things that are working. The core data is working. I've got a couple of few small kinks. So here's the contact database. All the contacts, these are all the ones that have been entered so far, coming up in alphabetical order. These sections actually will be location sections. I'm working on an issue with my locations in my managed objects, so once that's fixed, these will change to locations. So that way we'll be able to have everybody broken down by location. So we can edit from here, delete contacts. You can also do it with a swiping gesture as well. You can add a new contact right here from the main screen. Let's see. There we go. Alright, and then that brings us here into the contact details view where we can edit. We can add a photo. And these 2 areas, the title and the email, those I'm having a bit of a problem with. They're not saving in my core data, in my managed objects, the way they should, so I'm still working on that. And my contract dates, I'm still working on building the date picker for that. Location, that's the section where that's not completely built out yet, and I'm going to have these options load in here, and then you can just click on it, check it off for the location, and then would also like to put an add feature up here to add a new location that's not already in the system. Here we will add the mobile device and put in the device number, device model. This I will actually be changing so that it has options that will pre-populate, so you can just select those. Okay, and then we can add more devices, and we say done. See, this is part of the problem, it's not saving that title or email. Notes, we can put in notes about Jane. Okay, so that stays in there, so that's all great. So for the most part, that's working relatively well. My search feature, it looks nice up here, not functional. I wanted to have the filter working and then be able to search, and I wish I had not just done that because it's not even canceling out for me. So that is an issue. So let's rerun this. Take a look at a couple of other things. Alright, so request, that I'm working on for the next week, so there's nothing built out there. Options, that I was hoping to have up here, do the split view controller, but that did not work. Then each of these, this is all informational, but they all work. I've got a couple formatting issues to work out. Email, contact us. I got that to work, and um, so then we can go ahead and just put that in there. Maybe send a copy to myself. Oh, do that. Sale.edu. Okay. Alright. All sent. The only thing I want to do here is be able to put the alert so it shows that it did actually send the email. The send app feedback that I'm working on next week. That hopefully will turn out nicely. And then the legal info, just some formatting and text issues there. But for the most part, it's relatively functional and got a lot of work done.